Okay. After a short loading time, Enscape should show your project. If Enscape didn't open, but instead returned an error message, have a look at the end of this playlist. There is a troubleshooting part you can switch to right now. Most likely you'll just have to update your graphics card driver. We'll show you how. From now on, Enscape is your window into your project however you work. Any changes will update in Enscape immediately, be it drawing a floor or walls, moving objects, changing materials or view settings. You design and Enscape displays it. We'll have a closer look at that later on, but first I want to show you how you can navigate and explore your scene. First of all, press F on your keyboard whenever you like to open the view management. Here you can see all the 3D views in your project. If you have predefined perspectives, you can always jump to them right away. You don't have any yet? Well, you can use Enscape to set them up. Just click the Create View button down here. Enscape will save the current position and datetime in your design application project. Let's close the view management by pressing Escape or the Home button, and let's open the Help menu by pressing the H key or the question mark in the upper right. Enscape uses the WASD control scheme for navigation. W to move forwards, S to move backwards, A and D to move left and right. Press and hold the left mouse button and move your mouse. This is how you change your perspective and look around. If you've ever played a 3D game, you will feel at home right away. If this way of movement feels new or uncomfortable at first, try this. Just hold down the W key and the left mouse button at the same time and see how you move forward. Move the mouse gently left and right and notice how you can steer where you're going. Do this for a while and you'll get used to it in no time. If you feel like you'd want to move faster or slower, find that setting along with multiple others in the Renderer window settings. Input tab right here. There are two types of movement in Enscape: walk mode and fly mode. You can toggle between the two modes by pressing the space bar. In walk mode, you stay on the ground and collide with objects. In fly mode, you can move up and down as well by pressing E and Q, and you can move through any obstacles. Jump to any point in your project directly by double-clicking on it. If you prefer to use an Xbox controller or a 3D Connection Space Mouse to move around, feel free to connect it. Enscape will detect it automatically. Take some time to get familiar with the navigation. This is the only thing you really need to learn to be productive with Enscape. So, make sure to get around all right. Once you feel good about it, I see you in the next lesson.